Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. Welcome if you're new. My name is Kiki. I go by the name of Glambykiki on Instagram. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will get notified every time I upload, which I will be for the month of December. So stay tuned for that. Every day is something different. And today I decided that I wanted to, what did I want to do? Oh, I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys along on my day off. I'm off today of work, and I will be doing some stuff around the house, mostly Christmassy things. I will be doing some decorating here and there and some DIYs, so I will be bringing you guys along. Also, I am about to eat too. I ordered some food. I ordered some Thai food. Got me a nice little Thai iced tea. So yeah, so I'm gonna start eating a little bit because it's, what time is it right now? Hold on, let me see what time is it right now. It's currently 2:29 p.m. I'm starting my vlog super late, not early, but it's okay. It's better late than never, right? So I'm gonna get into this food right now because a girl's hungry. I'll show you guys what I got to eat. But also I am in my jammies. I love my jammies, like Christmassy. This one's from Old Navy if I'm not mistaken. And it says, oh snap, and it's a gingerbread. And I got the matching bottoms and fuzzy socks. Can never go wrong with fuzzy socks, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got to eat. So I have a nice little Thai iced tea. I ordered from my local Thai restaurant. Okay, I'm making that right now. I got some curry puffs, which are so delicious with their dipping sauce. I got vegetable pad thai, which is a rice noodle and peanut sauce pasta. In a Thai version, of course, Thai food. And then if I believe this is the salad, right? Is it salad? No, my sticky rice. Oh, don't mind my dry hands, guys. This weather has my hands super dry. Oh, and Luna wants to say hi. Hi, baby. This is Luna, guys. Say hi, Looney. Hi. Okay, back to sticky rice. Oh, my hands are dry. Please excuse them. Sorry. So I got sticky rice, which is so delicious as well. And that's about it. And my chopsticks. So that's all. Guys, the first thing that I do when I get Thai food is mix my Thai iced tea because, oh, it tastes so good. It's so sweet. It's basically a cold brew tea. That's how you say it? Yeah, a cold tea brew, a cold brew tea. Okay, whatever. But it's an ice cold tea with milk, and it tastes so good. That's what I go into first. Take a couple sips, and then my favorite thing to go into is my curry puffs. It's basically a dough filled with ground chicken, potatoes, and vegetables, and it does come with a dipping sauce with cucumbers, onions, and it's sweet. It's so good. So good. It's soft and crispy. Guys, it's so good. Oh my gosh, I'm not really doing anything active like outside today, but I will be doing a lot of work inside house. I can't even speak. Inside the house, so delicioso. After I eat, the real party begins. All right, so I'll see you guys right after I'm done. Okay guys, so project number 1 is going to be decorating my pet's my dogs and my cats stockings. So I want to put their initials on their stockings, and I'll be showing you how I'll be doing it. So the first thing I'm gonna need is glue, any type of glue that you can put on fabric. And I'm gonna be putting their initials on it. So I'm gonna first start off with one stocking. I think I'm gonna start off with Cat, probably. His name is Prince Milo, but I'm gonna put M. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just write on the stocking M. I want it to look a little something like this, of course. And then I'm gonna sprinkle glitter on it. I wanna put gold glitter. So I'm just taking any glitter I have, whether it's craft or cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle it on. Look, just like that. Callie gets the biggest one because she's the biggest baby, and it's super cute and it's different than the other two because the other two are babies. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same step, but I'm gonna fast forward this part it's really long. So these stockings are complete. Callie, Milo, and Luna. These are all our fur babies that got their stockings nice and done. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next project. I'm gonna go ahead and I can't even speak. I could never speak anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping up a gift that I already have for one of my family members. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through the process. I'm gonna let these dry a bit before I go ahead and put them anywhere. So I'm gonna leave them hanging right here on my little table, a little tabby tape. So the first gift that I'm doing is small, nothing too big, but I love this wrapping paper and I definitely want to freaking put it on it already. I could have easily put it like in a cute little bag, but I like wrapping stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the present I got from my brother-in-law, my sissy's boyfriend. Well, of course I'm not gonna show it to you guys after it's wrapped yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this process because I think it'll take a while. So guys, I'm also going to finish touching up my Christmas tree. As you can see, she's right behind me. Look at her, she's rose gold and gold, but I feel like she's missing some more ornaments, so I am going to be doing that right now as well. So y'all, let's go ahead and get started. Let's get started in decorating the tree. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start decorating her, and I'm going to right now. From the top, wherever I see little spaces, like right here. Cute. Okay. Let's see. I did already a rose gold. Now let's do gold. Where should we go? This looks like a nice split right here. Nice little one. I'm just gonna sporadically like put them on these thingamabobs. I'm gonna put one probably right here. I'm gonna put, oh, there she goes. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna put her here. Looks pretty. Oh, and look who made their debut, Callie. Hi, mamas. Anyways, back to what I was doing. I'm just filling in spaces where I think it should go. Let's see. I like them down here too. Right there. Pretty. Go ahead and put one. I think we should put it. Oops. We should put one right here. I never have enough ornaments, guys. These bad boys are gonna go, and I'll be right back. Okay, the Christmas tree is semi-done. I have to see if some garland would fit on it, but I want to show you guys how it looks so far. It's super cute. Look how cute she is. Look. These right here are DIY ornaments that I did in 2 different colors, as well as this one too. I might just throw that in this vlog as well. Last night, my mother and we did this garland around our window, and we did put our 3 ornaments on the windowsill right over here as well, but I feel like it's a little incomplete. So I am going to go ahead and line and connect the garland around the window. Isn't this garland so cute? It's rose gold and gold. It reminds me of cheerleader pom-poms so much, but it's so freaking adorable. And guess where my mom found it at? In the 99-cent store. Like, Bad and Bougie. Bougie on a budget. Like, yes, come through. Like, we don't have to buy expensive crap to put on our tree. Like, all of these things were literally from the 99-cent store, guys. Literally. Like, and look how bad and bougie and beautiful this tree looks. Like, come on. Like, it's how you dress it is not the brand that, you know, makes you. Just a little FYI. But I'm so in love with this. I cannot wait to connect it to the wall. Go ahead and just like tack this down so it stays nice and put. Right there, just like that. And I'm gonna do the other side too. Hey guys, so I'm gonna teach you how I created these DIY ornaments with this different garland. You can use any items of your choice. It doesn't have to be garland. It could be glitter, it could be crystals, it could be snacks, whatever you prefer. But being that I am only putting these on the Christmas tree, I want to continue with the theme of rose gold and gold. So all you're gonna need is scissors, a piece of garland, and your non-glass ornament, clear preferably, of course, because you're going to be filling them. So these are from Michael's. I got them last year. I bought a 25 bulk for I think like $9.99 when they were 70% off the entire store. So get all of your DIY project stuff from Michael's, because I am telling you, is so worth the deals. And yeah, so let's get started. So of course, the first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and remove the ornament holder, or whatever you call it, the ornament top. And then you're gonna wanna go ahead and cut a piece of the garland to fit inside of the ornament. I went ahead and cut a little piece like this, and then you're gonna go ahead and start stuffing it inside of the ornament. And of course, your fingers may not fit, but once you continue pushing it in, it will go inside itself. So you don't have to fit like your pinky or your finger or whatnot. And then you want to give it a shake. And it should look a little something like this. Of course, you can fill it with more than one thing, but this is what I'm currently doing. Okay guys, and it should look a little something like this. Of course, you can fill it up more, but this is, you know, enough just for one, because we do have a lot of ornaments on our baby, but we want to fill it in with a little bit more. So I think this is such a cute idea to just, you know, go ahead and fill and to, you know, be a little bit creative with your holiday ornaments. And also these are great as gifts, like if you have parties, and you can fill them in with whatever you want and people can like take them home, you know, just saying. But this is super cute. Of course, I did these in different colors as well. I did one with gold and like an iridescent pink and white, and I did do one with just gold in them. So these are super inexpensive, super easy to do, that everyone in the family can come and join in, which is super great for holiday season because it gets everybody in a nice festive mood. Guys, the tree is finally done. Look how beautiful the tree looks. Look at her. Look. Loving it. And I also did finish the window section. Nothing too crazy. But yes, soon there will be more gifts under the tree. Look how pretty. Right here, next to that one. And guys, this concludes this Vlogmas day 4 video. I am literally pooped. It's 5:26 p.m. I've been doing a lot of DIY projects throughout the whole day, getting the house ready with Christmas ornaments and Christmas decorating, wrapping gifts, the whole 9 yards, and I am pooped. I am so exhausted. I'm ending this vlog early because I will be doing nothing else but just relaxing because I have a long day tomorrow for work. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to join the Glam fam and get notified every time I upload, which I will be uploading every single day for the month of December.